welcome back to EC Beauty. Today I will be doing an unboxing from Tarte. So let's just get started. So this is from standard shipping. So it took like 9 days to come, but so this is my first Tarte package I'm opening up and I'm so excited. Okay, so I've got 15% off Sugar Rush, and this ends on May the 15th, so it's fresh 15, so if you want to get 10% off, this is what you can use. And also, if you use Sabo Skirt, you can get 20% off using the code Tarte30. Okay, so the first product I see is this, and this is their best-selling concealer. It is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's cruelty-free and it's in the shade Fair. I hope this is the right shade for me. Oh yeah, that looks like the right shade. I love it. I never would have thought that I would be ever holding this in my life. I won't do swatches yet. I'll do some swatches of something that might be coming up. But this is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm so excited. Okay. Next is the Sugar Rush Tarte Sweet Slice Eyeshadow and Cheek Palette. It's so cute. Okay, so most of the packaging is cardboard. It has a magnetic shut and inside it is plastic. It has a nice mirror and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 7 eyeshadows and 1 cheek palette and 1 blush. It comes with your wee protective thing, so you have, I like how it can bend back as well. You have Just Chillin'. Let me just get it to focus. Just Chillin'. Picnic. Just Ripe. Sweet. 2 Scoops. Flip Flops. Juicy, and Slice Baby. It doesn't have a scent to it, but this will last 12 months and it's very cute packaging. I will be doing a review of this later on and also a review of this later on. And the packaging is also very cute. It's called Sweet Slice and it's like watermelon, and it's an eye and cheek palette. And last but not least, one of my favourite things I bought is the Adelaide Moore. It's the Adelaide Moore palette. It has blue and Adelaide Moore's wee description. This is so pretty. I can't believe I have this. Okay, and apparently this smells of vanilla, so I need to smell it. Blue! It's so cute. Oh my goodness, I'm in love. Oh, that is so nice. It does smell of vanilla. I love that. The protective thing, and it says Adelaide X Tarte and it has lemons on it. It is mostly cardboard. It's very sturdy though, and it can bend back. And the mirror says Adelaide X Tarte, and then it's a quite big mirror, so it's really good. And here are the shades. There is 1, 2, 3, There are 9 eyeshadows and 1 highlighter and 1 blush. So up here, just like the nude, you have Idle Angels, which is just like a setting your base, like your primer. Here you have Contour, because it can be used as like a contour. Here you have Law of Attraction. This is Mama Morin. This is Red Eye Flight. Beat Bop. Girls Supporting Girls. Boss Lady. Beautiful, Magical, Wonderful. Promise Ring. And I Feel Beautiful. I can't get over how good this smells. Okay, so in my next video, I know I haven't posted in a while and I am so sorry. I've been waiting for this Tarte order to come. I ordered it on the 12th of April and today when it arrived, the 23rd of April. But also we did have a bank holiday weekend in the middle. So it's not like it took over 10 days, which it says it is. Standard shipping is usually 7 to... Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. I'm going to call that person back after this video. But I am in love with my new Tarte makeup. So, do I recommend Tarte Cosmetics? Of course I do. I love Tarte. And I hope you will too.